What's up, guys? Thank you always for being here. For my tiny subscribers, I welcome everyone who is coming to watch my video. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing, support your girl. Actually, I'm talking live from the village, and today I have a new video, very much amazing. Here I'm going to cook fish, dry fish. I don't know. Yeah, I have tomatoes, I have coriander and dhania, and spring onions, and the carrots and some potatoes and some lemon. Yeah. So what I have to start first, if you laugh about my video, please go and subscribe. Support your guy and bring amazing videos from me at the village. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. So first of all, I have to peel the potatoes, and I don't have a peeler. I have to use the knife. And this amazing video here. So I have to peel the potato first because the fish is already cooked. So what I have to do is to make this other stuff ready so that we start cooking. Thank you so much. So next I have to peel the carrots, and that's how we do it here. I'm using, I'm not. So next I have the dhania. Dhania, this is fresh from the garden. This has roots here, so I have actually to wash it. Also to cut the roots, Also the green onions, I have to wash them. So we have to start cutting. And I have to start with the green chili. So I have to start with the green onions. That is the spring onions, as they say. So there are those ones which are dry. Maybe I have to pick them or cut them off. So we cut them. So we have to cut the coriander. So we have to grate the carrots as usual, and I have to use the smaller side so that I need it to be in a small size. We also cut the tomatoes. We cut the tomatoes, and this is how we do it. So here we start cooking. Actually, this is the cooking oil I'm using, and you have to put the oil to get ready. So I have to put the potato first. That's according to my cooking. We stir. So next we add the onions. We stir. So so we have to funika. Kwa hivyo baada ya kuweka kila kitu unafunika kidogo. Ufuta. This is my local read. This is what I usually use here. Hope you enjoy. Leave some comments. How you cook your fish outside there. Yeah. After that, we add the tomatoes. It's after stirring, I add some salt. Sasa hiyo chumvi itakuwa kali sana, and then we stir, and then we cover it. Remember, we are at our local kitchen. That's why you see the kitchen is like this. See how it is. The soup is very nice. Yeah. So I love to add the carrots. I love to add the carrots now. After adding the carrots, you have to start the stuff also. So this is warm water. After stirring, the tomatoes are now cooked and then I should add warm water. This is warm water. You can see the steam here. We add warm water like that. Able to taste this soup. This all this already. We have the dry fish. So the dry fish I love to cut into pieces because I want it to be this like this into some pieces. Yeah. And we put it inside. We cut like this and we put it inside. So this is how it looks here. What you have to do is just to stir the fish, to stir in a moderate way, and after that we have to cover it. And leave it for some time. So we should add coriander after it is cooked. Yeah. So you have to turn it a little bit and then you leave it also for like 10 minutes. I think it is almost getting ready. It's almost getting ready. So it is ready. We have to put the lemon. This is the lemon here. You know, Corona finished all the lemon. This is the size we have at the market. Oh. So we have to squeeze it. You have to squeeze it inside. So we squeeze the lemon like this. Yeah, that way. After that, you have to stir. You have to stir. Wow, you see how it is. Very much amazing. After that, I have to add now the coriander. The coriander, you have to add it just as soon as you have added it, you mix and then it's ready to eat. Yeah. Now everything is ready with that. Yeah. So this is the end of the story. Now I have to remove it maybe so that this is our local kitchen. I think you almost known my kitchen here. Hey, ugali mboga. So you'll have to garnish it with the coriander like this, and it is ready to be served. You can have this with ugali, chapati, or or rice. So this is an amazing soup from the fish stew. That is it. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Continue watching until the end. Actually, this is an amazing video here. You can go and try the recipe out.